What was that light? It was like red.
What was that? You just take your video.
It was a red light.
Is that what he said?
You guys see that?
I told you that.
Hey, did you guys see the red light?
That was her, you stupid fuck.
Are you serious?
Yes. Taking a video.
Oh! I was like, oh my god, there was a red light. Oh my god. Oh my god, the aliens are coming. What? American Pie, baby!
Hey, I would know all about band camp because, you know, me being a band man.
Yeah, but you don't go to
can't see nothing in here. You just look like a big. You look like you're black.
We're like
Put it by your face so I can. There you go. Now you look white. I look white. I'm Mexican. Well, either look black or
Just
white.
for the people watching this, I'm Mexican, so FYI.
You sound totally white. You're like, I'm Mexican. Like, oh my god.
Okay, I'm Mexican. You don't be talking to me like that, okay? I sound like Juan little sister or something. I mean, seriously. No. Yeah. That's not how. Oh my god. This is the guy from Hannah Montana.
Go! Ew, you would know. I hate that show.
No, Kimberly watches it like 24/7. No, I don't. I'm 24/7.
You watch it a lot though.
Okay, people, let's take a break.
That chick plays the tuba.
End of the ceremony.
Yeah, the goth chick.
I don't want anyone starting the wrong
Scares
song
me.
again. You
She's like Laura.
I'm fine.
How is she like Laura? She's nothing like
First
Laura.
time up here. And
No, I meant like she's goth and she looks all like.
Laura thinks she's got.
She's like, I want to go shopping at Hot Topic.
She's like powder
just
puff
remember that everybody
punk,
here.
okay? That's like not even close to goth. She thinks she's goth and everybody's like, she's a fedora color. Are you staring at me? You can't see nothing in here. I'm trying to see.
Just want to say sayonara and let you fuck next know we plan on winning the state title now that the Stipmeisters running the show.
There you go.
Is that better? Yep.
Bigger ass than his brother.
I mean,
You're eating again, Shaniqua.
Duh.
Wait, what do you call her? Shaniqua and Fritos.
Oh, I thought you said Shikra.
Shikra.
Memorable last day.
That's an awesome ride.
Bye bye. Say bye.
There's a cat outside, and it's almost to the
You
grass.
can't see nothing. Say bye.
Bye! You lazy fucks, get off the computer! Go do something productive and go get a date with a girl. Seriously, stop jacking off to porn.
What is the girl watching this?
Get out. Perfect timing. Oh, this is good.
What the hell are you looking at in a video about girls? Go like do a guy or something. Seriously.
Ew.
Go look at some crazy guy video. This guy from
He's hot.
Go look at Meat Spin or something. Have you seen Meat? Oh my god. Pepper spray. How does it like burn your eyes? I don't get it.
Bye bye.